Hello students, we are continuing to our video lecture series Digital Logic Families, in which we studied about the type of digital logic families, and that there is TMOL, TTL, CMOS and ECL. We are continuing to our TTL series. In previous video lectures we studied about TTL and what is the pros and cons in TTL series. So there are some improved series in TTL after some research. So these are 74H XS series, because we are seeing the specific data specification sheet of TTL 7400 series. So here are the 74H XX series. In this the propagation delay is half and power consumption is double, and 74L XX series twice the propagation delay and half the power consumption. So in both cases the speed power product remain about the same, and in most cases both have been replaced by Schottky TTL and CMOS. Schottky TTL is the another advanced version of TTL. In this, main speed limitation of standard TTL is due to capacitive charge in transistor base. So charge is stored when saturated. So this is shown the Schottky TTL diagram. Here is a Schottky diode is used from between the collector and base. So by this Schottky transistor symbol or Schottky TTL symbol is like this, and this Schottky when lower power Schottky is used, the power consumption significantly reduced and speed power product 1/3 of the 74SXX series and 1/5 of the 74XX series. And in advanced low power Schottky series, the propagation delay dropped from 9 to 4 ns and power dissipation from 2 to 1 milliwatt per gate, but it is expensive. And fast TTL, the propagation lower to under 3 ns and device size dramatically reduced. So after that, Schottky TTL and TTL, they both are the bipolar device. The CMOS family is considered. CMOS family is coming through the unipolar devices, which are FET, basically MOS or FET and MOS devices. So this is MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, which have high input impedance and low power dissipation. This one shows the basic symbol of, here is the transistor and here is the basic symbol of MOSFET. So the difference in MOSFET, there is a 3 terminals, drain, gate and source is used, and one more signal which is connected through the substrate. These two are the connected internally, and here is a SiO2 insulation layer and induced N channel in the MOSFET. So it makes it input impedance high and power dissipation low. So there are CMOS families have N channel MOSFET built on P material and normally of positive gate voltage induce the N channel, and P channel MOSFET channel is formed by the positive gate voltage. And 3 major MOS families: PMOS, NMOS, this is for P channel and this is for N channel, and CMOS, this have complementary P and N channel both. So in CMOS family we are talking about CMOS inverter formed from P and N channel MOSFET. This is shows here. This one is P channel MOSFET, this one is N channel MOSFET. So this is working like as gate. Here is the inverter. So when input 0 is applied, N channel becomes high and it gives the output as 1. So other CMOS gate, here is these are working like as NAND gate, and this one is OR gate, NOR gate and AND gate. So these are working like these operations. So in this stage Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are shown. This one is the truth table of NAND gate. So when 0 0 is applied, output is 1, 0 1 is applied, output is 1, 1 0 is applied, output is 1, and when 1 1 is applied, output is 0. And it shows that in this stage Q1 and Q2 is on and Q3 and Q4 is off. At 0 1 stage Q1 is on, Q4 is on, and Q2 and Q3 is off. At 1 0 state Q1 is off, Q4 is off, Q2 and Q3 is on, and at 1 1 stage Q1 is off, Q2 is off, and Q3 and Q4 is on. Similarly, as this table is for NAND gate, similarly there is a table for NOR gate and it shows its output. So handling of CMOS devices, we should avoid electrostatic discharge, groundwork station, text equipment and soldering irons, wear a wrist strap. These are the precautions to working with CMOS devices. And CMOS available in the 4000 series, 4000H series, 74C00 series, which is also compatible with TTL, and these series are speedy, less power used, usable, pin compatible, greater noise immunity and temperature operating range. So these are the CMOS availability. Here is the low voltage series. Superior speed, 74AHC and 74AHCT series have superior speed, low power consumption and high output drive current, and these are the availability in these voltage range of these CMOS ICs. Thank you.